Sometimes the best answers come when we stop searching and start walking. This is a simple practice. No need to figure anything out. Just walk. Before you begin, think of a question that really matters to you right now. It could be big or small, something that doesn't let you go. Now, go for a walk. No headphones, no phone, just your question, your body, and the world around you. Don't analyze. Don't try to find answers. Just walk and observe. Breathe. Notice sounds, textures, smells. Let the world be part of your question. Sometimes the answer comes during the walk. Sometimes it comes later as an image, an insight, or a shift in feeling. But something always shifts. Something opens. This is BreathingWay. See you tomorrow.